Hi, this is a really sad day as I learn the news that the Woodworker magazine that's been going since 1901 is to fold this autumn. I mean, it's really tragic because it's almost a British institution. Now, the current title is called the Woodworker and Good Woodworking magazine. It's a combined effort, and in fact, I happen to be an associate editor of Good Woodworking, which was run by Future Publishing. And I can only say thank you to the editor, Tegan Foley, who has so enthusiastically and professionally promoted the Alan Peters Award. You can see this is the 222 issue showing the three prize winners of the Alan Peters Award, and also a thank you to their designer, because the presentation is lovely. And I first wrote an article for the Woodworker in 1972. It was on a wheel cutting jig that I devised for pupils when I was teaching in a London school. I've collected the manuals over the years. I've got quite a few of them in. I mean, they are fantastic. I mean, they're absolutely full of tips. You can smell the old paper, and that's the thing about a magazine. I mean, it's all very well. It's a miracle of this instant online communication, but there's nothing to beat the thing in the flesh. I'm sure a few of you know what I'm talking about, but it's a real inevitability of how technology is controlling our lives. We see the good, and it's so sad that there isn't room for the old school and the new school. Online is all very well, but I mean, not long ago there was a global outage which should worry all of us. However, I meant to keep this very short, but I would love to feel that the Woodworker brand can be saved. In fact, I'm not going to cut this short. I'm going to finish by saying that one of my great heroes was Charles Hayward. He was an illustrator, and I also trained in illustration, and my style, which I've illustrated my own books with, were based on Charles Hayward's very bold line drawings. And of course, he published a series of definitive woodworking books, but rumour has it that he kept the Woodworker going during World War II from a bedroom in London, probably under candlelight. So please, let's try and save the Woodworker brand. I know it's an impossible task, but it shouldn't just suddenly disappear. And it only takes one wealthy patron to keep it afloat. Thank you for watching, and thank you to the magazine for promoting the Alan Peters Award these past few years.